I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It is super cool. So keep watching. Hello, gamers of the community. Do you desire a one-state RP hack? Today, I will show you how to play a modded version of your favorite game, One State RP. So as you can see, we are broke, but in this mod menu, we can enable unlimited coins. Let's do that right now. See if our coins start to rise, because currently there's nothing to talk about. I've got 65,000 money, 2,000 coins. We need more, we need to become a millionaire. But unfortunately, you know, there's nothing in here, so that's not going to happen. But I already enabled modded settings, so I'm expecting... Yo, look at that, it works! So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version of the One State RP for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So the first thing we're going to do is go onto our browser, and I want you to type the following website, tweakmod.com. Okay, so this is the website right here, tweakmod.com, just like that. Okay, so now what I want you to do is go on the search bar and type One State RP, find it, press install, and now the final thing we got to do is verify our device. So this is the easiest step. It's just download 2 apps and follow the instructions, 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, it's super simple. So you guys are going to be all set. So let's just give it a second for this to load. So yeah, it's loading right now, so we'll just let it do its thing. So yeah, let's just give it a second. So as you can see, it's loading right here. So it's missing files. So we need to download 2 of these apps and follow instructions to complete the One State RP mod download. So for instance, Evertale, down and run for 30 seconds. Then we've got Family Island, reach level 11, so I could do that one. So that's pretty easy, you just gotta reach level 11 on the game. Then we have Winzo Play, down and install, deposit $2. Colorwood, you gotta reach level 25, so that's kind of a pain in the ass, but just do 2 of them, guys. Then you'll have the One State RP hack on your device. It's super awesome. So there you go, guys, tweakmod.com, that's the website you guys wanna be on today.